Alright guys, back at it again. Last video we got some stuff done and we was waiting to get the tunnel material and cut up and stuff so we can build a tunnel. So that's what we're gonna get done in this video, and hopefully we can get like some paint and engine based stuff done. This real thick metal here is because I'm gonna be running an OEM bell housing and I don't have an SFI bell housing for an RB25 trans. So gotta have nice thick stuff to protect in case anything ever happened, firewall explode, clutch explode. This way it doesn't come through the floor and hurt anybody or me. It has to be this thick just because the rule book. So the FD rule book said it has to be at least 1/4 inch thick steel, and that's what this is. So I'm gonna integrate my scatter shield into the car so we don't gotta worry about you know, like unbolting a whole shield. It does have to be 360, so we're gonna make the trans tunnel top with 1/4, and then at the bottom we'll just make a bolt-on plate. So if we ever have to service or take the trans out, we just unbolt 2 bolts, boom, pop it out. I'll show you guys when I'm done. But yeah, that's pretty much what we're gonna do. So let's get to it. So we had some figuring out to do with the firewall. So I didn't show you guys some of the things. I just wanted to show you what it looked like. So when after we got that thing welded up on the floor, this needed to stick out some more because it needs to pass the flywheel also. So that's why it's protruding out of the firewall now. And then we had to make a little starter cutout. So now it's got the 1/4 inch steel all the way around. We're gonna build the bottom half after the motor's in the car. And then we'll move on to the inside of the tunnel. We got the top of the tunnel done. Just needs 2 sides, and I'm probably gonna open up the starter hole a little bit more, but I think we could at least get a tunnel done tonight, so that's good. And then we can move on to the next step.
What's the next step?
Too many steps. It's too many steps. Alright, we got the tunnel made up and engine brace pretty much done. So we're gonna prep it right now so we can get some paint on there, and then we can move on to stripping the other part. So as you guys can see, we have a painted engine bay ready for it's ready for an engine, even though we're not ready to put an engine in it, but we wanted to get this done because this is a big step before we move on to the other things. So now we're gonna move on to the inside We're gonna finish up the fuel cell because I still have some more welding there to do, and we got to clean up all the back and paint it, and then we got to put the roof on. Then we can put the engine in. Then we got no. I'm missing a step. We got to do the firewall still. So we'll probably do the firewall, and then we'll come back to put the engine in, and then you know X, Y, Z from there. But yeah, we're making some good progress. Obviously, you guys seeing this, we didn't have a video on Wednesday because we're busy. We're trying to knock this thing out so we can get out and test it. The good thing is the powertrain we don't really got to worry about. It's just literally put it in, wire it up, get it running. We'll be good. But engine solid already tested, so that stress is out the window. But yeah, we're gonna continue hammering it. And hope you guys like the video. Alright, so that's actually the last time this car is gonna run for probably just this month. We'll know. This car is gonna turn into the demo car. The competition engine is gonna come out. The subframe, the winners, probably the seat, the dash. We're gonna pretty much strip this thing now and make it a roller so you can go sit in the back shop for a little bit so we can get the other car ready. The other car, we already moved it over to the other lift and took the subframes and stuff out. So the goal is to strip this, get everything we need off of it so we can have a lift open, and then we'll start reassembling the other car. So Nick snatched the engine out, and then Donnie and Sean showed up, but Sean didn't do nothing besides play with his brother's car on the lift over there. But Donnie went ahead and knocked out both subframes and got the old ones back. So now, sadly, the red car is looking all stock again. It got shitty wheel fitment. But you know, you got to take a step backwards sometimes to come back ahead. You know what I'm saying? So we come back ahead. The next video, you guys see, we're gonna slap all the subframes in the other car, get the engine in there, get it running. Hopefully do burnouts, something. I don't know. I don't think we'll be doing burnouts the next video, but you guys get the point. We'll see you guys next video. I'm glad you guys are joining us on this journey to this build to FD. Looking good right now. We kind of ahead of schedule, even though we only got like 4 weeks left. But I think we're good. And we still have merch, guys. So make sure you guys either message us or go on the Monster Performance Inc. website. Get all the so you can order shirts and stuff, you know, merch, you know. This ain't mine, but you know, you guys get the point. I love y'all. See y'all in the next video. Later.